Excuse me, good morning. Could you tell me how much it costs to go to the downtown area?
Good morning. That depends on your destination. Where exactly are you going downtown?
I am going to the Marriott Hotel on Fifth Avenue. It is near the Central Park.
I know the place. For that location, the fare will be £50.
50 pounds? That seems quite expensive for such a short distance. I checked an app online and it said the price should be around 35 pounds.
Well, £50 is the standard flat rate from the airport. You have to remember that there is also a £5 airport pickup fee that we must pay to the airport authorities.
I understand the fee, but 50 pounds is still high. Can you use the meter instead of a flat rate? I prefer to pay for the exact distance.
I can use the meter if you want, but with the current traffic, the meter might actually end up being more than £50. The flat rate is usually safer for the passenger.
I see. What if we take the highway instead of the local roads? Would that be both quicker and cheaper?
The highway is definitely faster, but it has a £3 toll fee for the electronic gates. However, since you are traveling alone and don't have much luggage, I can offer you a special price. I can do the whole trip for £45, and that includes the toll and the airport fee.
45 pounds including everything? That sounds more acceptable to me.
Yes, £45 is my final offer. It is a fair price for a comfortable car and a direct trip to your hotel.
Okay, that is a deal. Do you accept credit cards or do you prefer cash?
Card is perfectly fine. I have a terminal in the front. Let me help you put your suitcases in the trunk.
Thank you. I appreciate it. How long do you think the journey will take at this time of day?
If the traffic on the highway is moving well, we should arrive at the Marriott in about 30 minutes.
Great, let's go then. Thank you.